Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to create a Steam account in 2025, step by step, fast and easy. Let's jump right in. First of all, open a web browser and go to steam.com, search for Steam. You can download it for your computer or you can use the web browser or store.steampowered.com. Then click the first link. Now, at the top corner, click Login. If the Join Steam option isn't showing when you click on Login here, a few things you can try. Clear cache or use incognito mode or go to store.streampowered.com/join. Now, enter your email address and again enter your email address or confirm your address, then select your country of residence, then then verify you are a human, then click I am 13 years old, uh 13 years of age or older, then uh, accept the term and conditions. Steam will now send you a verification code to your email. Open your inbox, copy the code, and paste it back on the Steam page. Next, choose a Steam account name. This is your public username. Then create a strong password and confirm it. Then hit done. You are all set. You can download. You can now download the Steam desktop app for a better experience. Just click on install Steam and click install Steam again. And that's it. You got your Steam account ready to explore thousands of games. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.